Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu speaking lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. I hope you remember everything that you have learned in previous lesson. Do watch that lesson again and revise again for better practice. Okay? Now let's begin with our today's lesson. Now let's learn counting further. We have already learned counting from 1 to 24 in Urdu. Let's learn to say 25 in Urdu. This is 25 and in Urdu it is 25. 25. 25. 25. Repeat and practice. Of course, if you will practice from 1 to 25, you will remember it better. Okay, now let's learn some more fruits names. We have already learned some fruits names in previous lesson. Now let's learn some more. First, let's learn to say fruit or fruits in Urdu. We have already learned that as well, but let's revise again. So in English we say fruit or fruits, and in Urdu phal. Phal. Fruit. Phal. Alright, now let's learn these fruits names in Urdu. In English we say grapes. Grapes. And in Urdu angur. Angur. Grapes. Angur. Then in English we say peach. And in Urdu Adu. 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 Peach. Adu. Then in English we say pear. And in Urdu nashpati. Nashpati. Pear. Nashpati. Nashpati. Let's repeat one more time. In English we say grapes and in Urdu angur. In English then we say peach and in Urdu adu. Then in English we say pear and in Urdu nashpati. Repeat and practice, okay? Alright, now some more fruits names. In English we say guava. And in Urdu amrood. Amrood. Guava. Amrood. Then in English we say plum. Plum. And in Urdu aloo bukhara. Aloo bukhara. Let's repeat one more time. Guava. Amrood. Plum. Aloo bukhara. Repeat and practice. Alright? Okay, so here this is the end of our today's lesson. Do repeat the names of these fruits in Urdu for better practice so you would remember in the future. I will meet with you with next lesson. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.